In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of blocking accounts from posts on Twitter using your PC. Follow these simple steps to effectively manage unwanted content on your feed. To begin, locate the icon positioned at the top of a post from the account you wish to block. This icon typically appears as 3 dots or a settings symbol, depending on the post layout. Next, click on the icon to reveal the available options. From the drop-down menu, select the block option. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you are sure you want to block the account. To proceed with blocking the account, click on the block button once again. This action will prevent the account from appearing in your feed and interacting with your posts. By following these steps, you can easily block accounts from posts on Twitter, ensuring a more personalized and enjoyable browsing experience on your PC. Take control of your Twitter feed by blocking unwanted accounts from appearing on your timeline. Follow these straightforward steps to customize your feed and enhance your social media experience.